This video will show you how to use Batch Payable in Sage BusinessVision. Batch Payable can be used to prepare a list of invoices to pay across a range of vendors. The payments are made automatically once you check, modify, and approve the list. To access Batch Payable, you go to Utilities, select Batch Payable. The selection criteria window will appear for you to specify the criteria. For the payment day, you can post day or back date. However, only the invoice that have the due date before or on the day you specify will be selected automatically. For start at vendor number and end of vendor number, you can select a range of vendor, or you can select everyone in the vendor list by leaving the checkbox in first and last. If you wish to set the monetary limit, how much you want to pay, you can select this option and put in the amount. By default, this will be the balance of your bank account. If you want to set the maximum amount that you want to pay for each vendor, select the option and put in the maximum amount. For example, I put in 50,000 per vendor. The system will automatically take any prompt payment discounts to which you are entitled. If you want to take the discount that are recently expired as well, you can select the option Take Expired Discount. The bank account will be the default bank account. If you have more than one bank account, you can select another bank here. Once you finish, click OK. The system will calculate the payments. The invoice that satisfies the criteria will be flagged. And you can sort the list by any columns. To do that, you select the columns. Let's say I'm going to do with due date, and then you click on the refresh icon. The list will be sorted by due date. If I want to sort by the amount, I select the amount and then refresh it. The amount will be sorted. I should want to see the item that have been flagged first, then select flag, unflag, refresh. So all of the items that are flagged will be on the top. Okay. And here it will show you the total you're going to pay. This time will be this much, and it will be less than the limit that you specify. 11 items will be paid this time. If you agree with this, you can print the list of the payment that you are ready to pay. Or if you don't, you can change that by unflag or flag the item. You can, let's say I want to pay Bell, you flag Bell. And then I print the list again to check. You should always review the payments prior to processing them. If you're ready to make the payment, you can close this one and then click the pay icon. If you're not ready to make the payment, you can always close the Batch Payable and come back when you're ready. So next time if you go to the Batch Payable, you will receive this message. The previous Batch Payable files exist. Would you like to retrieve it? If you say yes, everything will come back. Now that I'm ready to pay, I'm going to click on the pay icon and I get a message. Please ensure that other users are not posting before proceeding. Click OK. And these are the check. You can print to the check printer. Once you finish, you will see the message. Were the check printed correctly? If everything is okay, you can say yes to finish the Batch Payable. Let's say you have a paper charm and you would like to reprint the check. You can say no. These are the lists that you can reprint check. Let's say I want to reprint the check for Lerons, and I want to reprint the check for National Wire. You have the option to use the original check number for the check, or you can use a different check number. Let's say I'm going to use the original check number, and then I click on the printer icon. And these are the check that I reprinted. Okay. If everything okay, you can say yes. This is the end of the video on how to use Batch Payable in Sage BusinessVision. If you have any questions, please contact the customer support department at 800-215-5395.